Alright, next up we have Zdenek. What's up, bud? You're gonna try Bowman Chrome, box number 9, baseball. You're gonna get the marquee tomorrow. We'll do this today and then that tomorrow when it comes in. Base. Just base. Mark Texeria. Just kidding. Tashira. Refractor. Just base. Matt Moore. Rookie refractor. Just base. And base. And base. Refractor Carlos Alonso. And base. And base. Just base. And base. Purple Brandon Morrow. Numbered 199. Matt Holiday refractor. Could be autographed. Haven't got it yet, and it's blue. Not gonna happen. William Beckwith. Numbered to 250. One of these should be an autograph. Refractor Dan Ugla. Hopefully it's in there. Is it? Yep. Nick Castellanos. Cool. Nice hit. So we have Nick Castellanos, autograph, William Beckwith, and Brandon Morrow, purple blue. That will do it. So there you go. I'll put these in the back. We'll do that basketball tomorrow when it releases, and then we'll get it on the way. See ya.